Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to connect and use a micro SD memory card on Google TV. Now over here I do have a Skyworth Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or brand of Google TV you have, whether it's a TCL Google TV, Hisense Google TV, Sony Google TV, or any brand or type of Google TV at all. By the end of this video, you should be able to view your photos, watch videos, and even access every other content on your micro SD memory card from any Google TV you have. Now first things first, for this to work, you need to get yourself a micro SD card reader like this one over here. You can see that this one has a USB dongle and it has a slot for both an SD card and then a micro SD card at the bottom. I'm going to be leaving a link to this in the description of this video. And once you have your own micro SD card reader, you can go ahead and insert your micro SD memory card into your SD card reader just like so, and then proceed to connect the SD card reader into any of the USB ports on your Google TV. But before then, also keep in mind that for your Google TV to be able to accept your micro SD memory card, it has to be formatted at MS-DOS FAT at 32. And while some micro SD memory card are already formatted at MS-DOS FAT at 32 by default, some are not. But the process of formatting yours is not so difficult, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in a second. Okay, so to format your micro SD memory card to MS-DOS FAT at 32 for your Google TV, you want to first of all connect the micro SD memory card to your laptop or PC. It can actually be your MacBook as well. And again, you can go ahead and use the card reader or use any adapter that actually supports a micro SD memory card. And then you want to come over to your laptop or PC, then open up the File Explorer application, or if you're using a MacBook, then just open up the Finder application. So once you open up the File Explorer app on your PC, you want to go ahead and locate your micro SD memory card, which should be on that PC. So if I open up on this PC, you should be able to find my micro SD memory card over here. And what you just want to do now is to right click on your micro SD memory card, and then you want to select on the format option over here, and then also make sure that under file system FAT32 is actually selected. So make sure you select FAT32 from over here, then you can go ahead and tap on start, then tap on OK. But then keep in mind that by doing this, you're going to be wiping off everything on your micro SD memory card. So once it is done, all you just have to do is to make sure that you now reload your micro SD memory card with all of the videos, photos, and music which you want to watch on your Google TV. Now finally, once you've been able to format your micro SD memory card, you can go ahead and connect it with the micro SD card reader to any of the USB ports on your TV. If your TV has multiple USB ports, you don't have to worry, just connect it to any of it. It will work perfectly fine for you. And once you connect it, you're most likely going to see a pop-up on your Google TV letting you know that a micro SD memory card has been connected to the TV. If you get the notification, you can simply just use the OK button on your remote control to open up the micro SD memory card directly. But if you do not see the pop-up, you do not have to worry. At this particular point, what you want to do is to locate the media player app on your Google TV. Now, depending on the brand or type of Google TV you have, the location of this media player app or option can vary. Majority of the time, you can find it when you go over to the input source menu on your Google TV. So if you go over to settings and then to input source, you should be able to find the media player option from over here. But if you do not find it in your case, sometimes it is actually a separate application of its own. So if you go over to the app section on my own Google TV over here, then scroll through all of the list of apps, you should be able to find my own media player, which is basically this multimedia player over here. If you're still unable to find it from over here, you can simply just download any file manager application from the App Store of your Google TV. That will work perfectly fine. In my case, I'll go ahead and open it up directly from here, and you should be able to find my micro SD memory card, which is actually shown as a USB drive. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And at this point, you can now access your photos, videos, music, and files that are stored in your micro SD memory card directly from your Google TV. So if I go over to downloads over here, you can see some media files. These are actually some videos, and I can actually play them. This is actually some recordings from my laptop. And if I exit from here, then go over to pictures at the bottom, you can literally see some pictures over here. I can also view those pictures if I want. I can also exit from here and then go to the music section to also listen to some music, and all of these are playable from your Google TV. If you find this tutorial useful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.